The Cuisinart Barista Bar 4-in-1 coffee maker is a highly versatile kitchen appliance designed to provide a comprehensive cafe experience in a single, compact footprint. This unit features a 12-cup glass carafe for traditional drip brewing, alongside a dedicated single-serve side that is compatible with any brand of single-cup pods. The fully automatic drip side offers 24-hour programmability, brew strength control, and an adjustable keep warm function, while the single-serve brewer allows users to choose between 6, 8, and 10-ounce serving sizes to suit their specific caffeine needs. Beyond standard coffee, the Cuisinart Barista Bar 4-in-1 coffee maker includes an espresso brewer compatible with Nespresso OriginalLine-style capsules. This functionality allows for the extraction of both single and double espresso shots with rich crema to further enhance specialty drink options. The machine is equipped with a professional-grade steam wand. This integrated wand provides hot water on demand and allows for the frothing and steaming of milk to create barista-quality cappuccinos, lattes, and macchiatos directly at home. The space-saving design of the Cuisinart Barista Bar 4-in-1 coffee maker is finished in a sleek black, ensuring it fits seamlessly into modern kitchen aesthetics. It features a large 72-ounce removable water reservoir that serves all brewing functions, minimizing the need for frequent refills. Included with the SS4N1 NOS model are essential components such as a gold-tone permanent filter, a charcoal water filter for optimal taste, and a removable drip tray to accommodate various mug heights, making it a complete solution for diverse household coffee preferences. Pros: versatile 4-in-1 brewing options, space-saving all-in-one design, includes a glass 12-cup carafe, compatible with Nespresso original pods, compatible with K-cup pods, built-in milk frother wand, dispenses hot water for tea, easy-to-follow setup instructions, adjustable auto-off warming plate, convenient permanent coffee filter, reliable and consistent performance. Includes a 3-year warranty, makes great tasting coffee, user-friendly dial and buttons. Cons: not compatible with reusable K-cups, tall unit requires extra overhead space, must pull forward to use it. Espresso quality is not premium, single-serve clean function is missing, instruction manual is confusing, steam wand is too long, steam wand sits too low, reservoir leaks. Occasionally, K-cup pods can explode or leak, brewing makes a loud banging noise, espresso pod lid sticks shut, water tank is awkward to fill, no clear on-off indicator light, carafe cannot pour the last drop, water reservoir opening is too small, single-serve brewing is very loud. Features: Cuisinart Coffee Center Barista Bar 4-in-1 coffee maker functionality, single-serve pod compatible, Nespresso capsule compatible, includes 12-cup glass carafe, 3 single-serve brewing sizes, professional milk frothing wand, removable water reservoir, adjustable carafe. Temperature: fully automatic operation, 24-hour brew start feature, self-clean function. Gold tone coffee filter, charcoal water filter included. The Cuisinart Barista Bar 4-in-1 coffee maker is a highly versatile kitchen appliance designed to provide a comprehensive cafe experience in a single, compact footprint. This unit features a 12-cup glass carafe for traditional drip brewing, alongside a dedicated single-serve side that is compatible with any brand of single-cup pods. The fully automatic drip side offers 24-hour programmability, brew strength control, and an adjustable keep warm function, while the single-serve brewer allows users to choose between 6, 8, and 10-ounce serving sizes to suit their specific caffeine needs. The Cuisinart Coffee Center Barista Bar 4-in-1 is a highly versatile machine that earns praise for its ability to brew full carafes, K-cups, and Nespresso original pods while featuring a built-in milk frother and a solid 3-year warranty. Users appreciate its space-saving design and the quality of the coffee it produces. Though the espresso is generally not considered premium grade. Despite these functional strengths, the unit suffers from several design flaws, including a loud brewing process, an awkward water reservoir that may leak, and physical dimensions that make it difficult to fit under low cabinets. Additionally, maintenance can be frustrating due to the lack of a single-serve clean function and a carafe design that makes it impossible to pour out the last bit of coffee.